Hi everyone, this is Tanya and Olivia. I just want to give you guys a little how-to video on preparing shakeology, my favorite shakeology drink. Olivia's going to assist me. So first what I do is I put about a half cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk in my blender. And then I put half a cup of water to stretch it out in my blender. Then I put about a cup of ice. The blender. Then I put the natural, I usually do almond butter, but we ran out. So I'm doing the all natural peanut butter. The only ingredient is peanut butter. I don't know if you can see that. So this stuff is really great. I love it. It's really, I like the creamy stuff. So this brand is great for me. So we put a tablespoon of that in my shake. So this stuff you gotta mix around.
And
Put it in. You want to put it in for mommy? Yeah. A little bit too much. Okay, put it in. Okay.
And
What else do we put in there?
we put banana
Yes, we put bananas.
and chocolate.
Yes.
And we put this.
What is it? Mommy and Daddy shake, right?
Yeah.
So
and cut it.
I put half a banana for myself.
For yourself.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do it.
Okay, put it in.
Big.
Yes.
Big.
Put it in. Softly. There we go.
And you put another banana. I know.
You want to put this one in too?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're doing a whole banana. Put it in. Okay. And then I use the vegan. I prefer the vegan chocolate. So let me open that for you, baby. But I love the chocolate. It's so delicious. My husband likes the tropical strawberry for some strange reason. And I could tolerate it, but I love. Let me open it a little bit more. Okay. Put it in. Got it? Shake it all in there.
Daddy likes the flavor.
Daddy likes the flavor. Uh-huh.
Daddy likes the chocolate.
He likes the chocolate. Mommy likes the chocolate. Okay. You blew it on your face? Silly girl. Sometimes I put some spinach in it, but we ran out. So this is what I'm going to get this morning. Hope it doesn't wake the baby up because he's sleeping. Okay, you want to press the button?
Mommy, no.
Okay, hold on to mommy. 1, 2, 3. This might be loud, so. I usually blend it for longer, but this is just want to show you how to make my favorite Shakeology drink. I'm starving right now because we worked out this morning, so this is gonna be my snack / lunch. I'll drink this and I'll see how I feel at lunchtime. I might have like a later lunch because I put a whole banana in it. So we are going to drink this, and if anybody has any favorite Shakeology drinks, just post it and let us know. Okay? Thank you.